Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to talk about how you can download StrymTV onto your Firestick. In order to do so, here we are at amazon.com/FireTV. And if you're interested in getting a Firestick, you can come here. And they have several different devices that you can use in order to get Fire TV. How do you download StrymTV to the Firestick? Well, first off, StrymTV is a powerful M3U playlist player for iOS. So first off, you have to have StrymTV and you have to have done it through the App Store. Once you have done that, then you'll need to come over to the Firestick and see if you can download Strym onto the Firestick. Now, let's go ahead and ask Cider AI if we can actually do that. Cider is a fantastic extension for your Chrome browser for a variety of browsers, and it allows you to ask questions of some of the top AI models available so that you can find the answers you're looking for. Let's see what Cider has to say about finding StrymTV on the Firestick. It says, StrymTV is not available in the Amazon App Store, so you'll need to sideload it onto your Fire TV. Below are two reliable methods: using the Downloader app and using a PC with ADB. Follow the steps carefully, enable the settings, and only install apps from sources you trust. And if you need more help figuring out whether or not you can install StrymTV onto the Firestick, then check out Cider. You can use Cider to guide you through the process, but essentially it is saying that it appears you will need to use the Downloader app in order to do so. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cider. If you want to get started with Cider, just click on it there in the link. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the description, you can get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Simply Financial is highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.